Hi, I'm Angela Vinoy with Sojourn Travel, and I want to talk to you a bit about how to choose your dates for your event. It's common to think I should set my dates first and then begin to think about where and how to run the event. It actually helps quite a bit, though, if you have some flexibility in the dates, to consult with us from the very beginning. There's 3 different factors that can be important that sometimes surprise folks. One is that if you're looking for an urban type destination, maybe one that's just close to an international airport, you're not looking for a particularly seasonal holiday type venue, more of a business hotel, those tend to have the least variation as far as season. So summer versus winter, fall, spring, not as much variation in that type of hotel. Those hotels, though, may have quite a bit of variation just week to week because of large events that are held in the city. And we can find that information out usually a year or more in advance, so that if you've set your dates with some flexibility, moving it even just 1 week can change the rates dramatically. If you're hoping for an all-inclusive beach resort type of hotel, then you definitely want to aim for winter dates. The reason is the hotels then are given their best rates out because it's the low season for them. Another thing to consider is if you really want to have a summer event, so you want to have something that's fun for the whole family, have plenty of space for meetings, also have great facilities to enjoy the beach, being outdoors, and you really want to stick with summer dates while kids are out of school, then the city we choose, the destination, can be really key. If you are able to have dates that are more in June, even pushing into September, you're going to have a lot more options. There are certain hotels on the coast that will not give any availability or any rates even for a conference group to book in July and August. When you fill out our form to inquire about conference options and rates, you'll see a tick box where you can tell us your dates, but then tick the box to tell us if your dates are flexible. That, from the very beginning, gives us a chance to inform you whether even just a week different or even a different season might be more fitting for your goals. You might want to check out our video as well that talks about payments. We have a video that gives you a little more information about how we handle payments with the individuals or from you as an organization, and that can give you some thoughts as you begin to plan and prepare at the beginning as well. We look forward to working with you. We'd love to help you pick just the right time of year, just the right destination for your next event.